Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. The day has finally come and today I'm gonna be upgrading the Scudetto on my Alfa Romeo Giulietta. I'm gonna be installing this one from the facelift version. Now this is not the original one, the genuine one costs from 175 to 200 euros. I've bought this one off of eBay for 100 euros including shipping, and I gotta admit the quality is quite good. Alright, I'm gonna start removing all of the bumper screws, but just to keep the video a bit shorter, I'm just gonna list the type of the screw in the top left corner. I got most of the screws out which hold the Scudetto, but this one right here is corroded in place. If I try to undo it, it basically just spins. Now these two in the middle came out without any issues. Now there wasn't even the screw right here. I don't know what they did. This one which holds the badge also came out, and this one also is corroded and it just spins in place. To get these two out, just push gently on the grill and now you can just push it out. Now if we take a closer look here, you can see that the screw itself is corroded inside the metal sleeve. I'm gonna do the same thing for this top one, and I can remove the original Scudetto. I'm just gonna pull it out, and now I'm gonna test fit this new one. I don't know how well can you see it on the camera, but it just doesn't sit right. That's due to this plastic pin right here. So I'm just gonna clip it off, and now it should be all good. Before I can mount the new Scudetto, I gotta put in these metal sleeves. For top middle screw, you are supposed to use this one. If you don't have it, you can get it from the old Scudetto. It's time to start putting back everything together, and what I'm gonna do, I'm basically gonna grease all of the screws. That includes the ones which hold the Scudetto in place, but also I'm gonna grease the ones which hold the bumper in place. So in the future, if I need to remove the bumper or the Scudetto, I won't have any issues with rusted screws.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Alright, I've put everything back together and now it's time for the badge. Now if I try to just stick it onto this new Scudetto right here, it just doesn't fit well. I'm guessing that this one is made for the original badge. The one that I'm holding in my hand is basically that reproduction that you can buy anywhere. I'm just gonna bend this little metal piece which is used to center the badge, and essentially what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some automotive silicone to secure the badge in place. Here's how the Giulietta looked with the old Scudetto, and here's how it looks now. The purists would probably argue that original Scudetto looks better, but in my opinion this one really improves on the looks. Giulietta generally has a design that doesn't age, and this new grille kinda modernized it and it puts it up to date. As I said before, the new grille costs only like 100 euros. I say only because the genuine one costs significantly more than that, but in comparison it doesn't really lack anything compared to the genuine one. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of history.